In the realm of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT has emerged as a standout creation, revolutionizing human-computer interactions. While its capabilities are widely acknowledged, there exist several intriguing facets of ChatGPT that often remain unexplored. This VIDE aims to delve into 10 lesser-known facts about ChatGPT, unveiling its intricate development, functioning, and diverse impacts across various domains. GPT-3 Foundation. Central to ChatGPT's remarkable abilities is its foundation in GPT-3, the third iteration of the generative pre-trained transformer developed by OpenAI. With a staggering 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 boasts an unparalleled capacity to generate coherent and contextually relevant text. ChatGPT harnesses this immense power to engage users in natural, fluid conversations that span a wide array of topics and inquiries. Fine-tuning for conversations. Beneath the surface of ChatGPT's conversational finesse lies a meticulous and crucial phase known as fine-tuning, a process that tailors the model to excel in the art of interactive dialogue. While GPT-3 provides the foundational prowess, fine-tuning refines ChatGPT's abilities to navigate the intricacies of maintaining coherent conversations, offering accurate responses, and adapting to the nuanced dynamics inherent to human interactions. This intricate stage of development involves exposing ChatGPT to a wealth of dialogue examples that simulate diverse conversational scenarios. Through exposure to these interactions, the model learns to differentiate between user inputs and generated responses, discerning context shifts, grasping conversational intent, and discerning the nuances of tone and emotion. The aim is to equip ChatGPT with the ability to not only generate grammatically correct responses, but also to capture the essence of human conversation, replicating the back-and-forth rhythm that characterizes genuine dialogue. Fine-tuning also involves conditioning ChatGPT to exhibit sensitivity to user instructions. This step is pivotal in enhancing a model's responsiveness to specific prompts, ensuring that it comprehends the user's intent accurately and generates relevant, contextually appropriate responses. The iterative process of fine-tuning, often guided by user feedback, refines the model's conversational prowess over time, resulting in interactions that feel increasingly natural, coherent, and engaging. The underlying principle of fine-tuning is akin to molding a clay sculpture, carefully shaping and honing the model's responses to align with the conversational expectations of users. As a result of this process, ChatGPT evolves into a dialogue virtuoso, capable of seamlessly transitioning between user queries, sustaining context, and mirroring the nuanced dynamics of human conversation. The expertise gained through fine-tuning serves as a testament to the intricacy of human communication and the remarkable strides made in bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and genuine interaction. Prompt sensitivity. An often overlooked aspect of ChatGPT's functioning is its sensitivity to the nuances of instructions provided by users. The outcome of ChatGPT's responses can be significantly influenced by the phrasing and specificity of the prompt it receives. Even slight variations in instructions can yield divergent results, underscoring the importance of providing precise and contextually apt prompts to elicit the desired responses. Context window limitations. While ChatGPT demonstrates impressive conversational coherence, it operates within certain constraints related to context windows. Each response generated by the model is contingent on a specific preceding context. This means that the model considers only a limited portion of the ongoing dialogue, necessitating succinct prompts and interactions to ensure continuity and logical flow in the conversation. Cultural and bias considerations. As an AI language model, ChatGPT derives its responses from a vast array of training data. However, this data can inadvertently introduce biases present in society. This lesser-known facet of ChatGPT highlights the ethical challenge of ensuring that the model's responses are culturally sensitive and unbiased. OpenAI is actively engaged in addressing this concern, working to enhance the fairness and inclusivity of ChatGPT's interactions. AI as a creative collaborator. Beyond its reputation as a conversational AI, ChatGPT exhibits remarkable versatility as a creative collaborator. It can contribute to a variety of tasks, ranging from generating imaginative pieces of writing to assisting with coding tasks. For writers, ChatGPT can provide plot ideas, character development suggestions, and even help overcome creative blocks. In the realm of coding, it offers code snippets, solutions to programming challenges, and acts as a coding assistant for developers. Educational aid, a lesser-known yet highly impactful application of ChatGPT, is its role as an educational aid. It can serve as a virtual tutor, offering explanations, clarifications, and additional information to augment the learning process. This personalized approach to education enhances engagement and provides learners with a unique avenue for interactive and tailored learning experiences. Entertainment and storytelling. Venturing into the realm of entertainment, ChatGPT assumes the role of a virtual storyteller. It can craft engaging narratives, interactive storytelling experiences, and generate creative plot ideas. By collaborating with ChatGPT, creators and artists can infuse their projects with dynamic storytelling elements, breathing life into creative endeavors. Limitations and ethical considerations. Despite its remarkable capabilities, ChatGPT is not without limitations. It can occasionally generate responses that are incorrect or nonsensical. This fact underscores the importance of critical evaluation when engaging with AI-generated content. Additionally, ethical considerations come to the fore, encompassing concerns about data privacy, potential misuse, and the perpetuation of biases present in the training data. The future of ChatGPT's journey is an ongoing one, characterized by continuous refinement and expansion in its capabilities. OpenAI actively seeks feedback from users to fine-tune the model's performance, ensuring that it becomes an even more potent tool for communication, problem-solving, creativity, and innovation. As ChatGPT evolves, its potential to reshape communication, education, entertainment, and various industries remains a subject of eager anticipation and exploration. ChatGPT represents a remarkable achievement in the realm of artificial intelligence, embodying the synergy between human ingenuity and technological advancement. While its conversational prowess is widely acknowledged, delving into its lesser-known aspects reveals the intricate web of its development, functioning, and multifaceted applications. The 10 lesser-known facts presented herein underscore ChatGPT's role as a transformative tool that shapes interactions, stimulates creativity, and propels humanity into uncharted territories of exploration. As we continue to engage with and utilize this extraordinary AI, we bear witness to an unfolding narrative of innovation, discovery, and the profound potential of human-AI collaboration. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.